What's going with this? Welcome back to your girl channel. Today I am going to be making some ackee and saltfish plantain cups. Yeah man. So here I have three beautiful plantains that I'll be using. So I'm gonna make the plantain cups first, and then we're gonna do the ackee and saltfish filling. So you want to peel your plantains and rinse them off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut them in 2 inches, like just 2-inch pieces, and then we're gonna double fry these. So these are the sizes that I am going with. So about 2 inches. So we're gonna fry them, and you want to deep fry these. So over here I have my Dutch pot with some oil, and we are going in and we are going to double fry these, but I'm going to show you how we're going to make the cups. Okay, so good is when they're halfway fried, then we're going to grease this, going to oil it, and we're going to put them inside, and we're going to squeeze them and to create the cup. So I already squeezed some. So this is just like you can use an orange squeezer, or you can use the lemon squeezer. It's just that one is bigger than one. So all you do is just put it in there, and then you squeeze it down. And then you lift it out. So it should form a nice cup like this, and then we're going to put this in the oil now and fry it. After you squeeze them, you put them back into the oil. They're going to form the cups. You put them back into the oil and fry them. So I'm using 2 packs of boned saltfish, and I'm going to use the tin ackee. So I'm using 2 tins of ackee. If you have the fresh ackee, you can boil it and use it, but I don't. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to boil out the salt out of the saltfish. So I'm going to rinse these off and put them in some water and boil them out. Okay, so good as well. The saltfish just scald out or boil out. We're going to cut up some seasoning. So I have onions, green onion, and some bell peppers. So just gonna cut these up to fry up our ackee and saltfish. We're also gonna add a hot pepper. That's optional if you don't want it spicy. So I have my pot with some oil, and I'm just going to add the seasoning. Okay, so just gonna add some pepper, black pepper, and spin this up. Then we're gonna add our ackee. So I added the ackee, and remember I'm using the ackee from the tin, so it's already cooked. So it's a little bit softer than when you would use your regular ackee, like the ones from the tree. So I'm going to spin this up, and I like my ackee mash, so I don't mind. But if you like yours whole, you might just want to get some nice fresh ackee. So we're going to stir this up and leave it to cook for about 2 more minutes. So now that the ackee done fry up, we're going to fill the cups, and I'm going to use a fork because I don't want too much of the oil. So I'm just going to use a fork to fill up our plantain cups. Alright goodies, so I fill up my cups, and they are looking beautiful. Look at that. You can put a little bit of garnish if you want, like some thyme, and set a nice lovely breakfast table, brunch, whatever. You can even eat them for dinner. Let me know what you think about this recipe, if you will be trying my ackee and saltfish plantain cups. And remember, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, and remember to like the video and share the video. Until next time, God bless.